Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove pattern style in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and you can see here the simple data, and in this data the pattern style is applied. You can see the difference here. The dot pattern is showing on this data. So I want to remove this pattern. Simply select the data, then right click of the mouse, then click on the format cells option, and you can see the format cell dialog box is open. In field tab have a pattern style option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the pattern is selected showing. Now just click on this blank and solid pattern, click on it, and you can see in preview the pattern is not showing. After that just click on OK, and that's it. Your pattern style is removed. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.